Okay, everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about the tutorial how to make single story house with the dimension 7 and 11 meter with the 3 bedroom. So we can make the basic shape with the rotated rectangle. Start from here, 7 meter. Then we can drag to the back 11 meter. Okay, we can get the basic shape of it. Then we can push it up with a push tool around 300 meter. Then we can make group and we can start for making room. We can start for making floor plan. Anyway, we can use a guideline with the tape measure tool. Start from here. Then we can make the front room, the first front room around 3 meter. This is for guest room. Anyway, this is for guest room, 3 meter and 3 meter. So this is for dining room and the kitchen, and then we can set it 3.5 meter. So then this is about the indoor bathroom. Anyway, this is indoor bathroom around 1,700 meter over there. So we can check it. Okay, we can move it a little bit around 200 meter, or maybe more. Anyway, we can check it. Okay, so after that we can make the guideline again here. We can make it 2,500 meter, and this is one bathroom here around 2 meter only. Okay, so now we can make the line. Okay, we can use this. You can using the outline over there. Okay, so we can push it up around. We can offset it inside first around 150 millimeter. Can erase. Okay, so just wait for minutes. It's getting loading for the another step anyway. Okay, so we have to push it up around 300,500 meter. Okay, then we can make group. After that we can make another room here. We can make another room, or okay, we have to move it a little bit. We can move it for 1,500 meter over there, and we can move it also here. Just move it 1 meter. So we can move it. We can move this line, and okay, we can move it this line here anyway. Okay, 1 2 3 3 bedroom anyway. So and after that we can make the wall. We can make the wall, but we have to. Okay, this is we have to make a 3 meter wall here. Then we can make the line over there. So then we have to offset it inside around 150 millimeter. We can complete this uncompleted line over there and push it up. Then we can make group, and we can make another guideline around 1,600 millimeter. Okay, and we can make the line again. Start from here until this position. Then we can offset it out. We can offset it outside around 150 millimeter. Okay, so we can push it up anyway. Okay, and then we can make group. Okay, we can separate it. Okay, and after that we can make another room here. We can use the wall. We can use the rotated rectangle maybe. Okay, so we can push it to the back 150 millimeter. Push it up and push it to the right. Then just make it group. So and then we can make the another room. Maybe we can make a 2.5 meter only, around 2.5 meter for small bedroom anyway. So then we can offset it inside 150 millimeter. Then we can complete for this uncompleted line over there. Then we can push it up until this position. Then we can make group. Then we can make the wall here by using a rotated rectangle over there. Then we can set 150 millimeter and push it up and make group. Okay, so we can see what it's, and then for the quick step we can appear the hidden component. I have to tell you about I have already prepared for the hidden component about the furniture fixture and another element of this house for the first step. So you have to prepare it also by download on 3D warehouse or another sources, because it's very important to make us easier and it make us faster to draw this house anyway. So we can edit and hide, then we can unhide all of this component, and which is I have prepared it for the first step anyway. Okay, so and after that we can use this maybe we can just explode first, then we can select this, and then we can move to the appropriate position anyway. And I'm sorry, we have no need for this element. We need this window anyway. Then we can place it on the appropriate position. So and then we can rotate it. Okay, and then we can move it for the correct position. Then we can move to this position. Anyway, we can set this position first anyway. Then we can set to this position. Okay, maybe we can set on this position and duplicate it. Okay, we can duplicate it on this position. Okay, so then we can move to this position also, and also this side anyway. Okay, okay, I have to set another element over there. Okay, I've set the entrance window and the bathroom window with this door element anyway. I have to move it to the appropriate side, and then we have to flip it along with the red, or maybe we can flip it along with the green. Okay, and then we can make the door. We can make the appropriate door position in this position I suggest you. So then we can make the opening and push it to the back. Okay, so we can make another door. We can make another door and place on this position anyway. Okay, then we can make the opening and push it to the back. Okay, then we can move and duplicate it, the door, and then we can set to this position anyway. Okay, we can set to this position, and then we can place on this, then we can make it whole. Okay, and after that we can duplicate it again to the last bedroom over there and rotate it first. Okay, we can rotate it first. Okay, then we can place on this position. and just like this. Then we can rotate this bathroom door. We can rotate this bathroom door and place in this position anyway. Okay, so we can make it a hole, get a hole of the door, and we can move, duplicate. Okay, and then we can flip it along with the red axis, and then we can place on this position. Then we can, okay, maybe we can place on this position. Then we can make a hole again over there. Okay, we can set it. Okay, and after that we can make the different floor level for every single bathroom. Okay, we can set the 20 millimeter of the difference level of this bathroom floor, 20 millimeter anyway. Okay, and then we can make the another wall element of this bathroom wall anyway. We can start from here and we can continue to make the another side of the wall. Anyway, sorry, we have to offset it inside around 20 millimeter. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, we have to push it to the bottom and push it up, and okay, can just make it group, and we can make the another additional wall element for the another bathroom over there. We can start using line for a basic shape, for a basic pattern anyway. So then we can select it all by triple click of this line. Then we have to offset it inside around 20 millimeter, and then we can complete for uncompleted line over there until it appear the basic plane of this wall path. So we can push it up and down for complete the additional wall element of this bathroom anyway. So in this case we have to make the detail for every single room and every single component, but we have to make sure that if we make it detailed, we have to make it faster also. So we can make the professional of timing to make a 3D modeling and perfection of this 3D modeling anyway. Okay, so after that we can set the material of this floor and wall element of this every single bathroom over there by using the existing material of this additional wall from my previous project anyway, because the previous project are totally important for make us easier and faster for making the perfect and fast 3D modeling for there. Okay, so you can see what it is. We can make it quick and fast. So, and after that we can place the bathroom element such as a toilet, wall partition, transparent, and shower unit. Okay, so we can move it to the appropriate position over there. Okay, we can rotate it and we can adjust it by the layout that we have prepared for anyway. Okay, maybe we can move it to this side, and then we can move this shower unit in this position. Okay. Okay, you can see by this. Okay, and after that we can make the difference level between the closet, between the toilet floor and the shower floor anyway. Of course, we have to make the difference level of the floor. Okay, we have to move it down around 20 millimeter. And also for the another bathroom, we have to set it also by using select this 3D model and duplicate with the control from our keyboard, and set the orientation with the rotate tool. just something like this. Okay, I've prepared around 1000 meter for the shower cabin because it standard dimension about the shower cabin size. Okay, so we can make the difference level again, but we have to move the glass partition for until touch the ground, until touch the floor first. Okay, so then we can push it down around 20 millimeter. Okay, so this is about the quick and fast and perfect bathroom anyway, so you can follow this step. So and after that we can place for the kitchen and small dining room over there with using a kitchen set that we have prepared before or on our previous project anyway. But if we found this case, we can adjust the dimension. We can adjust the dimension of it. Okay, then we can move off the. Okay, we can push the top table until this position, and we can also adjust for all this cabinet. Okay, and we can move it again. Okay. Okay, we have to select it by using left click and move. Sorry, we have to move this position. Okay. So we can adjust it and then okay, we can adjust for every single component over there. Okay, just something like this. Maybe we can modification. We can adjust it by ourselves. By using it, and we can adjust for the another color. So then we can set the dining table over there. We can set the dining table. Okay, and then we can set the orientation. And then we can place on this position anyway. So and then we can set the side door and this kitchen and dining table with the appropriate door or with the door unit that we have been prepared for the first step just now anyway. As I said to you, okay, we can set the rectangle to make the hole of this wall. Okay, and then we can set another element. We can set another element, but we have to set the bedroom first anyway. We have to set the layout of the bedroom. We can make the explosion of this, or maybe we can set the backdrop first. You can just make group and we can move for the another appropriate position over there. Okay, we can place on this position. Then we can place in this position also. Then we can set the bedroom with the carpet. We can set the bedroom with the carpet, and then we can. Okay, if we feel it's too small, we can adjust for this cabinet, for the backside cabinet, to make it smaller than before. Okay, we can place on this position. Then we can also set the TV cabinet. Okay, we make group first, then we can place for TV cabinet to this position. We can place on this position first, then we can place on it. Okay, so then we sorry. Okay, so we can move it down again. Okay, I suggest you to set the field of view of it for just the interior modeling, because the interior modeling for the small house is very tricky if we didn't set the field of view setting first. So I suggest you to set the field of view setting anyway. Okay, so we can select the wardrobe and place on the appropriate position of the wardrobe anyway. Then we can rotate it for the orientation around 100 degree. Okay, so we can adjust for just a little adjustment over there. Then we can set it to the back, and okay, we can make it group, and we can flip it along with the green. We have to flip it along for the green orientation anyway. We have to adjust for the connection between the wardrobe and another component, such as for the backdrop of the bed area. Okay, so we can make sure that the backdrop of the bed are connected. Okay, so you can see. Okay, and then we can make it a little bit left to the left position anyway. Okay, so then we can set another position. Maybe we can duplicate it again. Okay, we can duplicate it again to this position. Then we can rotate it around 180 degree. We can rotate it 180 degree. Okay, just wait for the loading, because the more complex interior object are more make it slower for the 3D modeling process on our device anyway. So we have to be patient for the waiting for this. Okay, we have to place this wardrobe. Okay, maybe we can set this wardrobe until this position. Then we can duplicate for all the TV cabinet over there by typing the appropriate orientation anyway. Then we can delete some unnecessary object. Okay, so we can see about the second bedroom arrangement. So then the last bedroom, maybe we can make it smaller. We can make the bed smaller than the another bedroom. Okay, okay, this is for the best orientation anyway. Okay, so we can move it until to this position. Then we can adjust for the backdrop of the bed anyway. So then we can set the TV cabinet on this position. Then we can rotate it and type 90 degree. Okay, just something like this. Then we can set the window position in this appropriate position. I feel this is for the perfect position. Then the another position anyway, we have to push it to the back, and then we can continue to set the another window of it. Okay, so we can make the hole on the wall. We have to push it to the back, push it to the back also. Okay. Again, this is about the almost complete the furniture arrangement of this interior furniture. We can set the sofa right here. Okay, we can set the sofa right here for the living room or guest room. It's very flexible. Or maybe we can adjust for the another furniture on the appropriate position of it. Okay, so then we can set the another window element over there. We can start placing the window right here and right here. Okay, I think this is about the appropriate position. Maybe we can just set it only. Okay, this one, and we can set the hole in the wall. Okay, and it's done for the wall and furniture positioning. So we can set the difference level between the semi outdoor and indoor element. Okay, we can delete some unnecessary line over there. Okay, we can make it clear. Okay, so then we can set another element with a flat roof in the front. Just like this, we can see with it. So we can make it group, and okay, we can adjust it again till this position. Okay, and after that we can make the another roof element, but we have to make the flat roof first on here, then we can continue it. So then we have to push it up around 150 millimeter and just make it group and place in this position. So and then we have to push it up, and we can select it and copy, and we can paste in place, offset it outside for the distance as we want anyway, around 800 millimeter. And push it up around 150 millimeter and around 200 millimeter maybe. Okay, so just make it group. Okay, we have achieved for the basic shape. Then we can set another support column over there. Okay, and then we can make another roof element. We can use for the cladding, use this. Maybe we can set it for the black color first. Okay, set it for the black color first, then we can offset it inside around 50 millimeter, and then we can set the brick cladding material first. Then we have offset it 50 millimeter and set the cladding. Okay, so then we can make another material. We can make another wall element. We push it to the front, make it group, or maybe we can make another element again in this position, and then we have to push it to the front and make group and just complete for the space over there. And for the space also, so it will look more better facade of this building anyway. Okay, we can set another shadow line again. There, we can set the shadow line again over there. This one. Okay, after that we can set another cladding stucco white material for the outdoor element. Okay, and we can make the difference color of this accent of this wall accent. I prefer this one, so it will look more elegant look anyway. And maybe we can just choose this one. Okay, and we can make the another element of this wall element, same color of it, and this one also, but we can add the additional element with the siding wood panel. Okay, just something like this. Then we can set another wood element. We can set another wood element with this material anyway, or maybe we can set more dark element of the wood, and also we can set for the another landscaping element there. Okay, we can set this one. We can set for the landscape in this position, and we can also set the landscape of this position also, and this one and this one. Okay, so this is about the landscaping concept of this house anyway. Okay, and then we can make it group for all over. Then we can set another floor element of it. Then we can make another flooring and offset it outside. Okay, around 400 and this position. So we can set another concrete material. Okay, this one, and okay, we can set okay, and after that maybe we can set another component. Okay, we can set another component with the 3 component. Okay, we can using this and scale it down to make it smaller than before. Okay. And then we can set the material with the glass material, and we can also set for another style of it. We can select this white sky style over there. Then we can set the profile, and we can set the shadow. Okay, this is about the shadow of this house. So, and after that we can set the orientation, shadow orientation. Okay, this is about the best shadow orientation of this house design anyway. But okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.